Hi, my name is Bob Heater. I'm a technical representative with Industrial Heat Sources, and today we're going to learn how to check and replace a heating element in a TRAIC S unit. Majority of the malfunctions associated with the TRAIC S unit is either partial welding or no welding at all. If that's the case, a majority of the time, about 90% of the time, the problem is found in the heating element. If that's the case, then the heating element will need to be checked and replaced. Before checking and replacing the heating element, you want to make sure that the heater tube is cool to the touch. Once the unit is sufficiently cooled, you want to remove the 4 mounting screws that hold the heater tube onto the handpiece. Once all 4 screws have been loosened, you'll want to pull the heater tube straight up, remove the mica tube, and also the gasket. Firmly grip the heating element and gently move the heating element back and forth until it unplugs. Visually inspect the heating element for cracks or burn marks. Also check the air inlet of the heating element for blockage, lint, or any foreign particles that may have blocked the heating element. This can cause insufficient airflow and the heating element to burn out. Once we've determined that the heating element is faulty, we're going to replace it with a new heating element. Plug the new heating element into the handpiece and make sure that it's completely seated, and then reassemble the unit. Make sure that the screw holes in the screws are aligned properly to prevent damage to the screws. If you find that replacing the heating element did not solve the problem, then it is recommended that you contact a Leister factory trained service representative and have your unit serviced and reconditioned.